Good morning, fellow fishermen. Be my first time gonna go out this spring for Coho on Lake Michigan. Gonna dock out of Portage, Indiana. So I've seen that there's some activity going on. I was finally able to get my get my boat around and got my rods all put together, new snubbers and all that fun stuff on my rod lines. And we'll head out. I'm waiting for my dad to get here and see what we can get into. See you out on the water. Fish, 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 So it appears that the colors are going to be copper and yellow today. This is what we're speed reading. Doing about 2. Temp's 41. And today is March 24th, 2024.
Huh? Oh, we just passed the fish.
Oh, wish I'd hit.
Yeah, it's like we just passed the fish. It goes,
Damn.
which one?
Part of the
2.1. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Left, left. Oh, there he is. wrapping up for the day. It got a little bit windier today, and the light shut down. So, first got out here was not even 5 minutes. We had 2 in the boat, just starting out. We were like, this is gonna be a good day. But ended up with 4. Had 6 other opportunities, we'll call it, where they hit, then they were on for a little bit, then got off. So, but overall, good day. Good to get back out for the year. This will be my first time out. So, all right, catch you at next time we go out.